All right, so I'm here now. This is what we're looking at. Like I said, I told the customer we need to replace this whole entire thing. He wants to wait till August, but it is what it is. So right now, I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna run the support under here. But let me show you guys up here. I don't even gotta, I mean, like this is like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even trying to sell this guy on nothing. They gotta be replaced, you know? As you can see. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna screw in the bottom, and then, because I'm having a hard time screwing something into the, over here, because it's at like a weird angle, so I'm gonna screw the bottom in first, and then I'm gonna wedge it up with this, screw this in, and then screw this in. Alright, so we got 2 screws right here. Then we got one here, one there, and then up there as well. I gotta take that screw out right there. Shit. Alright, that's alright. We alright with that screw right there, but we got 1, 2, and then this one. This actual board, we're gonna screw it in from the top right here. We're gonna go through here. I can't actually get no screw in there. So yeah. Alright, let's get this bad boy in there. So right here I had to use the head method to get the screw in there. If you ever used the head method, leave a comment and tell me how exactly you used it. And yes, this is all landlord special work. He did not want to fix this right away. I told him that we have to replace everything right away. At first he told me to sister and fix the stingers, but that's basically doing the job. Like how you gonna sister step? That's basically fixing it the right way. All right, so he's done at the bottom. Now we're gonna go to the top. So same thing here. You got a screw there, screw right there, and then set up there. Perfect. And then 2 down here. Boom. Boom. Now we go upstairs. See, now I'm okay to go up these stairs. Now they got some extra support on there. I'm green, so I'm gonna put a source beam is right here. So I'm gonna put a screw here and here. And that'll support both of them from the top, because they're not, they're pretty tight on there either way. So I really don't need the screw, but putting the screw in there is going to be even better. Get this one in there. Anything here. Yeah, so we're all done, and hopefully we are back in August to completely remove this section. I don't know if he wants to do anything else up here or anything here, like all these, you know what I'm saying? There are a couple of shaky parts, but it is fine for now.